Okay, hello everyone. This is Kaia. I'm Aiden. I'm the development lead at Kaia Foundation, and I'm the today's moderator for the final demo day of the Kaia Wave Stablecoin Summer Hackathon. So let me introduce more about the Kaia Wave Stablecoin Summer Hackathon. So this hackathon is actually our flagship hackathon event for this year, and we are targeting to onboard the leader builders and the early stage founder teams for our DeFi ecosystem powered by stablecoins. So for this hackathon, we actually received a huge amount of applications. I mean, from over 500 participants, and with 94 teams submitting their projects. So today, the 5 finalist teams selected through the intense competition will compete for the final top rankings. So for this hackathon demo day, each team will have 10 minutes in total, 7 minutes to pitch their project, and 3 minutes for some short Q&A session with judges. So please make sure to strictly adhere to the allocated time. So the first team to present is Kiloran. Please give them a warm welcome and a big round of applause.
Hi everyone, this is Kilolen stablecoins focus decentralized lending with AI online mini dApp. Today, like many countries in Asia try to issue their own stablecoin, like Thailand, Japan, Korea, making a stablecoin moving toward the mass adoption, right? The biggest use case of stablecoin right now is used as a bridge in DeFi. You can increase the exposure of your ETH, your Kaia tokens by borrow the stablecoin to swap to your token without selling it. Uh, Onboarding is so challenging because we are target online users. Most of them are new to Web3 and how we can supporting them. So introducing KiloLend. KiloLend make DeFi lending simple, easy with AI. We have AI agent onboarding for the new Web3 users. Right now we live on Kaia mainnet. We are stablecoin focused. We actually fork the protocol actually fork from Compound V2, which is very secure, robust, and we have a custom risk management contract for each asset class, one for stablecoin, another one for non-stablecoin. This is how the curve look like. The interest rate is changed dynamically based on utilization, and the Gaia token native token is designed as the collateral only mode prevent like legacy issues. This is the screenshot of the mini dApp that we make during the hackathon. This is the video demos. Anyone can come to use our mini dApp and actually can log in with the Line account. And after that, you can simply supply the token like USDT to earn a passive income 1.1 APY. And right now we support like 5 tokens, but we're going to show you like how we can supply Gaia token that later on we can borrow USDT from it. Right now we're going to supply 20 Gaia tokens. And after you supply, you're going to receive like C tokens that allow you can withdraw it with interest later on. And later on, if you want to borrow it, you can check how much token you can borrow. We're going to borrow 3 USDT. You can check like borrow APR and then confirm. And after you confirm, after you receive like 3 USDT, you need to come back to Minidap from time to time to check your health factors that you need to maintain. Right now is 1.8. You need to maintain to greater than 1.2, and you can check like supply position, borrow position in case you want to return your token to the protocols with KiloLend. So no need to maintain your own private key. Just log in with your Line, and then you can have your wallet ready, and you can generate a QR code and send this QR code to someone else to let them send Gaia token, send like any token by scan the QR code, and then let you get started. And we also have the AI assistance. that allow the AI to analyze your portfolio, checking market data, whether you are beginners or expert, AI can helping you. We have three different AI character with different like personality. We can try with the Tiger AI one. You can see how it react, and we can like keep asking the AI about what we need. Like we can do try out like can you analyze my portfolio? It's going to be checking my portfolios and also like provide recommendations that what I need to do. So you can see it provide like many options that I can do. But anyway, at the beginning, it telling me like your health factor is not good considering to do something. So we have like incentive program named Kilo Points that we can convert into a Kilo tokens when we have it. Basically, we distribute it like 100 100K kilo point a day per user activity. You can come to check the leaderboard, and you can also invite friends online to increase like multiplier that allow you can have more chance to get more kilo point. And also, we also implement a so-called confidential AI, which is like experiment feature for some whitelist users that allow like AI agent to execute transaction like borrow, lending inside a TEE. It's like zero knowledge proof at the hardware level that allow like AI agent to do tasks on behalf of the users. We have like live analytic dashboard made by Dune. Anyone can come to check out TVL, key data in real time. This is our markets, the saw market and free market. We focus on the live user who want to do lending and borrowing the stablecoin online. And this is the business model, like any other lending protocol that we take cut from interest rate between like supply and borrows. And we're going to take a fee from the future service that we may provide to the users. And we're going to have the Kilo tokens and have like many benefits to the token holder. This is a go-to-market. We use Line as the main channels and going to host many in-person events in Asia. This is a team led by me, Pisut. I'm Thai, but we based in Japan. I work in crypto for full time around like 7 years. Work in like many crypto startup. We have two more team members, one AI expert and one dev. This is the roadmap. Right now we on Kaia mainnet have kilo points program support like 5 token right now. Next step, we're going to upgrade our AI agent to be fully autonomous and support more tokens and partner with like more project on Kaia. This is all about us. You can scan the QR code for our Line official account. If you don't have Line, you can follow our Twitter. Thank you.
Thank you for the great presentation from Kilo Run team. So now we will have short Q&A sessions with judges for 3 minutes. So if you guys have any questions or comments, please raise your hand, and then I can bring the mic to you. Yep.
I'll start first. So this is Neo, leading technology from Kaia. So I just have a quick questions right here about your AI agents. So at this moment, it's only for guidance, right? Is guidance of the features is what you have for your AI agents at this moment?
Yes, its guidance mean the AI can analyze portfolios like it read already, it cannot execute yet. But the next step, we want to upgrade the AI to be like proactive and can be like execute the transactions.
So
Yes.
what about the confidential AI? Is it like kind of advanced features that you're gonna have with, of the next step features that you have for the AI agents?
Next step, we're going to implement like autonomous AI agent with it like TEE. I think crypto people right now we familiar with like Fala, right? Normally like autonomous agent, we need to Dockerize, run inside like Fala TEE. But for us, we plan to using the TEE from AWS cloud called like Nitro Encave. We have I mean, uh, that AI agents like Super V1 that running right now, but uh, only like whitelist user can use because of running inside TE is not cheap. We need to
Resources,
pay
yeah.
like more than $100 to running it.
So what would be the features running on the TEE environment for the AI agents?
So you can chat with AI and like provide the condition that you want. I mean, at the beginning, we want to AI agent to interact with our protocol first, but in the long run, the AI agent supposed to be do swap tokens or do something more than what or like can swap token on another protocols or do cross chain swap.
Yeah, what we call the right functions, probably. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Daniel from Cicada Capital. So we have a DeFi liquidity provision fund, and my question is from the point of view of liquidity provider. So could you provide me with the estimated APY for providing capital, providing liquidity into your lenders pools?
This is like super hard to estimate right now because of interest rate. APY is based on demand and supply, right? So we need to like onboard more users, need to let like people come to borrow it, so then APY will be increased. But for stablecoin, I think it should be around like 1% to 3%. But for non-stablecoin, the APY should be more than that, more than like 5 or maybe up to like 20%.
Are you also going to provide your kilo token as incentivization for liquidity providers?
Yes, we're going to provide like kilo tokens.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, thanks for the presentation. I'm Arun from Caledon over here. Wanted to ask a bit more about the Kilo token itself. So I know there's the points and you guys are planning to launch the token. So how will value accrue back to the token? Like what's in it for token holders in the future?
This is what we are thinking right now, but yeah, we plan to finalize the tokenomics like by the end of the year. Uh, but yeah, it can be like the discount. It can be something that um, giving you the benefit to use our dApp, like or maybe special features, or you can access to the agent in TEE. If you don't have it, you may not be able to access that features.
Got it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for a great presentation, Kiloland team. So, yeah, so next presenter will be from Lucky Savings team. Yeah.
Hello, hello. Thanks for being patient. Thanks. Stephen Chung here with Lucky Savings. Thank you, Kaia team, for having us up here. So Lucky Savings. Lucky Savings is a new protocol on Kaia, Save to Win. Okay. So our vision is to transform everyone's savings into a free and fair lottery and launchpad by integrating with Line Messenger and seamless access. Lucky Savings is a lossless lottery and launchpad built on Line app using Kaia infrastructure. It's a problem. Everybody loves lotteries, but nobody wants to lose, right? You have to spend money to get into the lottery, and if you don't win, all of your deposit is gone. So we solved this at Lucky Savings by creating a lossless lottery. What's a lossless lottery? No capital loss. Only the yield for your deposits generate the lottery pool. So if you deposit some money, you generate the yield, you have the chance to win. And we do this all in the back end through DeFi contracts. So it's seamless. We don't control the money. It goes straight into DeFi. The yield that's generated is then part of the lottery pool. Whoever creates the yield has a chance to win. But if you don't win, you can always get your money back. The longer you leave it in the pool, the more chances you have to win. Well, we're specifically doing this with Kaia and Line because of the massive outreach. There's a lot of different protocols out there, and we believe and we feel that Line and Line and Kaia has some of the best distribution. And really, with any DApp, it's all about distribution. User friendly. So Kaia has account abstraction and paymaster functions. So ultimately, long run, we can create an environment where people can deposit without having gas fees. We can abstract that away using the paymaster functions of Kaia, making blockchain interaction intuitive. Why now? I've been in the space for quite a while, since 2015. I've seen the space grow and develop as a whole. The infrastructure is now getting to a point where you can build really interesting products like Lucky Savings. Before this, there wasn't enough infrastructure. You couldn't do the things like account abstraction. EVM was still new when I first got started. So the infrastructure is there, distribution is there, we're in the right place at the right time. And with the Unity project on Kaia, this potentially could be very big in terms of unifying the APAC region stablecoins. So key features. We're trying to keep it super simple because at the end of the day, this app is targeting retail users, people that don't want to lose their money but want to participate. So we only have 2 pools right now, USD pool and a Kaia pool. And within those 2 pools, there's a daily drawing. So every day there's a drawing that happens with the yield, and up to 4 people can win the daily drawing. And then we also have like a big jackpot pool to keep people interested. So there's a 10,000 Kaia or a 10,000 USDT pool. Once it hits that amount, at that time, there's a drawing. So it's a significant amount of money that can really make a difference for somebody that's in the lottery. At the end of the day, you're giving up your yield, but you want the chance to win the big pool. So as before, the user can withdraw their deposits at any time. So coming soon, our second concept to go along with this is once we get user base into Lucky Savings, and they realize it's safe, it's DeFi, the deposits can be withdrawn at any time, we plan to do a launchpad. Think lossless launchpad, think lossless pump.fun. So you can deposit your deposits in there. We take the yield, provide that to the protocol or the project or the meme coin that wants to launch, and in return, the users get the tokens. At the end of the day, if it graduates, the users can withdraw the deposits, move it on to another project if they want. So there's a lot of options, a lot of interesting synergies with this. So right now, our app is live. It's not online official DApp portal yet, but it is live on Kaia chain. We do have rewards. We have airdrop points. We're trying to make it super simple and easy to understand. So as soon as you deposit, you start earning airdrop points. The longer you deposit, the more points you earn. And sharing profile, I'll do a demo in just a second. And the Lucky Savings team. So myself, I was in traditional finance previously, got into crypto 2015, and been here ever since, done a lot of DeFi projects. Part of the reason why I'm in this doing Lucky Savings. Andy Lee is a co-founder as well. He launched Legends of Arcadia, which is a GameFi project. Dennis, which is our developer, which wants to remain anonymous. And Roy, which also launched another GameFi project called Hype Saints. So we've got lots of experience in crypto and DeFi and Web3. So that's the end of that. Let me do a quick demo. It's only on this screen. So let's see. So you see the app, and very basic, very simple. You can either join Kaia or USDT. Well, we got to be online first. So while we're waiting for that, technical difficulties, nice. Okay. You join Kaia or USDT. The USDT pool currently is, the backend is using Avalon.finance. The yield is very low on there, so we're kind of waiting for the super earn, which is part of the Kaia team, to launch, and we think that the yield is going to be very good there. Great. We have some technical difficulties. let me show the Dune dashboard while we're waiting then. So we've been live on chain for about a month and a half. We've got quite a few deposits in Kaia. Total TVL currently is around 287,000. We've got a total amount claimed in terms of stake Kaia, about 7,000. Stake Kaia has been earned and won by different users on the site. We have new wallets growing pretty steadily. We've got some campaigns going on with some awesome partners as well. So you can check out our Dune dashboard. This is live on mainnet. And then let's go to the fun stuff. Joining Kaia. So we've got 1.8 million Kaia currently staked in the pool. So every day there's a drawing. Up to 4 winners are drawn in this on a daily basis. In 2 hours or so, there's going to be a prize pool of about 1,400 Kaia, which is about $200. That's going to be won for some lucky savings winners. And then there's a $10,000 Kaia jackpot. Once it hits 10,000, one lucky winner will get drawn, and they'll get the whole prize pool. Save time for some questions and answers.
Yeah, since we have limited time, we can get only one question. Sorry about that. Yep.
Yeah, I have quite simple question. First of all, are the winners like randomly selected, or the more I buy, the more chances I have?
The more yield you provide, the more chances you get. It's completely random using Oracle.
Yeah, interesting. So it's like a purely DeFi protocol wrapped into retail ready like UI.
Yeah. We don't hold any of the funds. It's all done through smart contracts. Stake Kaia we're using layer.finance to earn the yield.
Yeah, that was my second question. Like, just to have more details, like which yield farming strategies are being used, like which protocols, where this yield coming from.
So currently, the stake Kaia is coming from layer.finance. We try to keep it super simple, and I've been in DeFi for a long time, been rugged a lot of times. We definitely try to keep more the lower risk profile. So Super Earn, which is backed by Line and Kaia, is definitely going to be our USDT pool. And we don't need a ton of different strategies. We just need one for each pool.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you. Feel free to talk to me after if you have any questions.
Ian from Animoca Brands investment team.
Yes.
Please connect with me afterwards. We'd love to learn more. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much again for Lucky Savings team. So, yeah, the next team to present is No Loss Protocol. Yeah, please give them a warm welcome and a big round of applause.
Okay, hello everyone. What if you could bet on the future, but if you win a big prize, but if you lose, if you wrong, you lose nothing. That sounds impossible for now, but it's a future of prediction market. We are no loss protocol. Our mission is simple: win the yield and keep your stake. Let's talk about problem in prediction market for now. Prediction market are designed to people lose their money. Up to 90% of people lose their money. So it's create a extremely zero-sum game. It's make a market limited adoption. So it also only several small of group who are willing to a big risk. So it's limit the growth. Next, what is no loss protocol? We turn a zero-sum game into positive-sum game. We are redefining the prediction market by removing user risk and maximizing the reward. How it's work? It's give a one-click prediction on prediction market, and then we give you positive sum payout. We give you instant on-chain, and it's Kaia native protocol, and it's leverage yield win. So no one lose in here. Here is how it work. You choose use equation like how TVL Kaia in next year. You said you choose yes or no and stake your stablecoin. All the pool and in the stablecoin goes into trusted yield protocol. And finally, we earn together, interest we earn together, this as a price for the correct question. So if you win, you will get your stake back and share of the prize pool. And if you lose, you are get your 100% of your principal, all guaranteed. This is the on-chain market opportunity. We have 200 million line user that 35 million line already have Web3 wallet via Line Mini D app. Our target and are realistic. We are targeting less than 1%. It's 200,000 active user with 100 million in volume. Next, the fear of total loss in Kaia stablecoin is more than 100 million USDT. So our no loss protocol is designed to unlock this massive unused money. So next, our biggest advantage is line integration. With partnership with Line, we give no loss protocol from just an app into social viral experience that live inside the million people use it with seamless onboarding. You can see it's just click on yes or no, and then it's create seamless. So it unlocks massive user base. Next, we also use strategic ecosystem. We use Avail Nexus for future cross-chain, and we use Oracle Network for resolving market outcome, so no one can cheat with Oracle. And then we use Dune dashboard for on-chain transparency and analytics. So here's how it works. In Q3, we already developed the D app, fully working D app, and building our brand. In Q4, we plan to launch our public testnet on Kaia and build our core community. In Q1 2026, we are planning to launch our audited mainnet Kaia and initial user acquisition. And this leads to Q2 2026. We want to drive massive growth via Line integration, and we want to integration with local stablecoin like EDRX or Korean won, SGD. Next, this is me. My name is Rashid. I'm founder and chief architect. I'm building no loss protocol to eliminate the risk of the DeFi user that prevent mainstream for adoption in on-chain application. I'm 6 years in experience with winner in 5 more global hackathon like 1inch base, reactive network, espresso, and many more. So next, let's try the live demo. You can just go to nolossprotocol.xyz, and then you just connect with Kaia wallet. It's just simple as that. Now, after this, you can see landing page. This is no loss guarantee and 100% yield sharing. And then how it works is just see question like, will Kaia TVL surpass 5 billion by end of this year? You just enter the market with yes or no. I think yes. You just must maybe 100. Just confirm stake. It's approve the transaction. Then confirm the stake transaction. Just simple as that to join the market. And then we already have faucet for testing. And then I can show you the admin page. This is the dashboard. There are 100 million TVL for mock USDT. We already have new market interface. And then this is for Kaia admin page for market, will Kaia TVL. And then we can resolve in here. And then we use menu for user. Oh, this is the transaction for resolving. Okay. I think today prediction markets are broken. They only serve a small of group who are willing to take a big risk. So it's limit the market adoption. We are no loss protocol. We are redefining the prediction market. So everyone, nobody lose in this protocol, and the reward makes bigger. Let's unlock this market together. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the great presentation. So yes, we can have some short Q&A sessions. So if you have any question, please raise your hand.
Hey, great presentation. Just
Yeah.
a quick question. Do you have any plan on being able to resolve any bets or any predictions made for non-on-chain metrics? Anything that you can't find on-chain and automatically use an oracle to prove whether it was a winner or a loser? Like, have you thought about that, and do you have any idea on how you want to solve any other sort of predictions like that?
Okay, that's great question. So for now, the resolve is automatically from no loss protocol team. But our roadmap next is we can bet on anything. We can bet on news. We can bet on sports. We integrate AI with some oracle that give AI to resolve automatically. We subscribe to news API like that. So it's possible for roadmap. We already have planned that. So this, thank you. Thank you for your question.
Thanks.
Thank you. Great presentation. Quick, slightly technical question. Why do you guys need to integrate DA for Avail when you guys can get all the data through like RPC from the archived nodes?
Okay, so that's great question. So I integrate DA for archiving the market data, all about stakes, all withdraw, all market outcome. We save it data availability, but this is just a side feature. We use a file for Nexus that's cross-chain expansion is seamlessly onboarding with no loss protocol. That's it.
Okay, thank you again for the great presentation for the No Loss Protocol team. Yeah. So next, yeah.
Okay, thank
Yeah,
you.
Thank you. Yeah. So next team to give a presentation is Leka USD team. So please give them a warm welcome and a big round of applause.
Oh, seems not working, but yeah, I will do my presentation. So, hi, this is Incher Yang from Reka USD, and it is USDT liquidity restaking via Ethena protocol. This is real yield source on Kaia network, bring real stablecoin inflow. Why I started this is I was a holder of Kaia. I deployed like 6 figures in Kaia network, but you know, the TVL of Kaia has got lower and lower. So I thought, oh, how can I make Kaia great again? And how can I make monies to get inflow to Kaia again? So that was Reka USD. The problem is simple. Kaia's ecosystem suffers from lack of stablecoin inflows. There are dozens of Flash dApps, but no mechanism to bring real dollars in. There was lots of dApps like user dashboard or NFTs and games and other stuffs, but no mechanism to bring real dollars. Without yield-bearing stable assets, no one will hold capital here. They will go to another network. So Kaia's TVL stagnation and missed growth is happen. Yeah, stablecoin inflow is the lifeblood of any DeFi ecosystem. Inflow comes only when user sees safe, real yield on stable assets. No current Kaia project offers this. We are the only one building it. So it is very simple. User can deposit USDT on Kaia on Reka Vault, and we will give them our RK USDT, and it is freely tradable YB stablecoin. And users USDT will bridge it via Chainlink CCIP to Ethereum mainnet, and it would be deployed into yield strategies. We have integrated Ethena now, but we will integrate Pendle and other interest sources for future. So it will generate real interest in another network. So it will be settled by epoch-based. So it can be used as a bank-like parking account UX for users. So why now? It is simple because nowadays Kaia is something all in into stablecoin. So, and Chainlink CCIP is live on Kaia, so secure cross-chain bridging is enabled. Also, Athena, Pendle, and there are lots of proven sources of stable yield. Growing demand across Kaia project for stablecoin liquidity and settlement is now happening. It is perfect timing, the missing anchor for Kaia DeFi. So yeah, as I told, this is our simple architecture. Kaia Vault issues RKUSDT, and CCIP adapter bridges to ETH, and each have a Vault contract on each network. So we can just trigger by Gelato or Chainlink automation. So we will have strategy modules like Athena and Pendle. It will be modular, and it will be settled by weighted portfolio. An epoch rollover with withdrawal queues. So what is differentiation is that there are lots of protocols. Other protocols have flashy UX, but they have no real yield. Rika USD has a real yield from Athena Pendle, and also we have liquid composable stable asset on Kaia, the RKUSDT. It robust risk management and governance, and also it is only gateway for stable inflow. So yeah, we love to stablecoin inflow and make supercharge everything. TVL, DVX, DEX volume, and lending, gaming, everything. Rika becomes the anchor asset other Kaia dApps build on. So this is our team. I am 0x Yatha, and I started my career in Korean CEX called Coin1, and after that I co-founded this DeFi system trading house, and I was a technical lead on there. And I have operated multi-million dollars with more than 40% APY. However, operating others' fund is quite stressful, so that is why I changed it into Web3 builder. And also, everyone in our team is a senior engineer, and we have experience DeFi system trading and crypto exchange business. So we have proven by awards at global Web3 hackathons, including ETH Denver, ETH Console, ETH Global, and backed by top-tier Korean CX founders and DeFi specialists. So we will finish our deployment and mainnet strategies by the end of year. So our protocol will live end of the year. Okay, no fancy app needed, no use case needed. I think the best UX in crypto is real yield. Thank you. It is too hard to dealing with computer, I think. Maybe you can visit rekusd.xyz and check out our demo because this seems not connecting. Yeah, maybe you can just find our protocol in Dora Hacks and other stuffs. Thank you.
Thank you for the great presentation. So yeah, we can have some short Q&A sessions with Leka USD team. So yeah.
Yeah, hello, I'm Daniel from X-Wave Labs. I have one question because, as you mentioned, a lot of DeFi users also can use like a Pendle or Ethena directly. But what's the reason they should choose the Kaia chain, and how will you drive those users to the Kaia chain itself? Because I think this is more related with the like a go-to-market strategy and the marketing stuff. So I want to know about your plan about it.
Actually, our strategy is kind of leverage because user can get RKUSDT from depositing USDT, so they can swap RKUSDT into other USDT or other yield-bearing sources. So it can be work as yield source and leverage. So that is our differentiation. So it is kind of restaking, not just staking. So we have lots of restaking protocols and they are working. So it is kind of restaking protocol for USDT in Kaia. So maybe you can use RKUSDT on DEX and other stuffs and all kind of things.
Yeah, so yeah, I understood about it. So what's your plan or strategy to drive those users to come to Kaia chain and use it? Like what's your marketing strategy or how will you drive user to the Kaia chain?
Understood, understood. Actually, as you know, DGens are very fast and smart. They are just seeking for higher APY and where the money can create it. So if this is just viral, they will just come. So maybe we will just. This is kind of our showcase. This hackathon is also. So now everyone in Kaia know Rika will be on December. So and they will get 8% APR and 10% APR from it. So marketing is over, I think, because you know the higher APR is better experience, and higher interest is yeah that is the user's problem, and we gave them a solution.
Yeah, so my question is how will you make those higher APY? What's the source of those funds?
Athena and Pendle. We have Athena and Pendle, and that is offering like 8 to 10 percent APY from Ethereum. Yeah, that's it.
Sure that the TVL is still accounted for on Kaia, so your protocol actually benefits Kaia instead of Ethereum.
That is why we are minting RKUSDT. So we can just count RKUSDT as a USDT in Kaia, while the real USDT is printed into Ethereum. So it is quite shady, but it is kind of double counting problem. Yeah, but I think that would be the foundation and user want.
Hi, I'm Benji from Line Next. So how would you be able to stand out among others once we see like new yield-bearing token projects coming out on Kaya? Because like, what are the factors that could maybe differentiate your product from others?
Actually, most different thing is we can use another chain source. That would be different because the activity in Kaya is not that much active now. So the yield and other interest can generated in Kaya is quite lower than other mainnet network. So that would be our differentiation to Kaya native yield sources.
Hi, thanks for the presentation. Arun from Caledon over here. So there's two sources of yield, Pendle and Ethena, right? So from the user's perspective, do they get to choose whether they want the yield from Pendle or Ethena? Or are you just going to give them a blended yield? And if it's blended, how are you going to decide the proportion?
Actually, for the moment, we have only Athena at the moment. So we have not decided how to separate our fund. However, maybe we will launch our own token, like Yon Finance. So maybe the user can govern the distribution of our fund. Yeah, that would be the utility of our token soon.
Got it.
Okay, thank you everyone, and thank you again for the great presentation, Reka USD team. So, yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
And the last presenter, the last team to give a presentation for today's final demo day is Senja team. Please give them a warm welcome and a big round of applause.
All right, GM everyone. My name is Goza, and I'm from Senja, the first permissionless lending protocol online mini apps. Yeah, stablecoin season is here. In 2025, stablecoin has a foundation for lending protocol or yield across generation to the ecosystem. Based on DeFi Llama, stablecoin nearly reached $290 billion. So the next step is unlocking stablecoin utility on Kaya with USDT or anything. So This is the adoption challenge. Kaia have immersive progress. Now Kaia supports multiple stablecoin, USDT, the first one, and the second one is a local stablecoin like such as IDRX. The potential of this stablecoin is a huge for lending, borrowing, and real-world use case. But most stablecoin remain underutilized without a clear destination right now. So that's why we here build Senja. Senja is a permissionless stablecoin lending borrowing protocol built on the Kaia ecosystem. Also, Senja is live on Line mini apps, while users can supply collateral, supply liquidity, repay the debt, even using cross-chain. Our cross-chain using layer 0, and yeah, we utilizing Dragon Swap on Kaia ecosystem to manage the collateral itself to Senja. And this is the overview of our apps. Yeah, like I said before, Senja have a supply collateral, supply liquidity, and borrow cross-chain, and many more. But the first one, I will explain about how the cross-chain, how the borrow cross-chain work. So, users, while users borrow to the destination chain, the liquidity on Kaia will not remove. It will not be burned. We will to the destination chain will have a synthetic token to mint, and yeah, user get loan the synthetic token to the destination chain. So the utility of the synthetic token, it's for what? So we have the fault using ERC 4626, which is the user who supply the real token will get reward as a synthetic token, and yeah, the synthetic token would be the have functionality to the Kaia ecosystem itself. And yeah, so the user who have borrow, they got the real token by default. And this is for the trading as collateral or swap collateral itself. We utilizing Dragon Swap in Kaia ecosystem to manage user the collateral. If the collateral have been volatility, user can manage the asset more safety. And also, this project is not for Senja itself. This is for Kaia ecosystem itself. We have a buyback mechanism, which is 95% of the protocol fees will buy back by the assistant funds and will be traded again to Kaia. So this is designed for stablecoin, and Senja places stablecoin as a lending and borrowing protocol starting with USDT, IDRX, and GPYC, and many more. Alongside stablecoins, Senja also support other assets such as Kaia, Wrap Bitcoin, Wrap It, and many more, giving users more flexibility while keeping stablecoins as the core utility driver. And yeah, the contribution to the ecosystem to increasing TVL on Kaia, and the second one empowering stablecoin utility, and the third one is Kaia buyback. Yeah, for the stablecoin market shares, there are a global stablecoin market. There are $150 billion in circulation, and the second one regional opportunity, and the last one is Kaia ecosystem itself. So this is the business model. There are lending and borrowing spread, and the second one liquidation incentives. So the third one collateral swap fee, and the last one fee and buyback mechanism. So I always say like this Senja would be a native lending protocol. So yeah, 95% of protocol fees will be converted again to the Kaia again. So we have the expansion strategies for the adoption driver, growth loops, and expansion path. Just be like that. we using layer 0, Oracle, DragonSwap, and others. So we maximize to the Kaia ecosystem will be our ecosystem. So we the maximize for all ecosystem. So this is the Senja roadmap. Started in Q3 as live on mainnet, and yeah, and the last will be upgraded to more platform. So this is the demo. Yeah, this is an overview of Senja, the apps. Yeah, the first one, connect the wallet.
Is fully native to the Line Mini D apps. And unlike many DeFi projects, Senja is not a fork of any existing protocol. First, we create a new lending pool permissionlessly. Anyone can launch a pool without approval, setting the foundation for isolated pools. Next, we select the wrapped Kaia and USDT pool. Here, we supply 1,000 wrapped Kaia as collateral. The deposit is confirmed directly inside the Line Mini D app. With collateral supplied, we can borrow 10 USDT, either on Kaia or on another supported chain. Thanks to Layer 0, this cross-chain loan is executed securely in a single transaction. To verify the transaction, we open Layer 0 Scan. Here you can see the cross-chain message confirming the borrow action. Back in the app, we swap 10 wrapped Kaia into USTD using the integrated DragonSwap module. This shows how users can adjust their collateral without leaving their position. Finally, we partially repay the USTD loan. The position remains open, and the protocol updates instantly across all chains. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, so the last one is for Dune Analytics. We have 8,000 of USDT as a TVL and several thousand Rep Kaia. And yeah, here we are. If you want to interest with our project, you can scan with this one. And also, this is our team. And yeah, thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Adam from Kaia. I want to know more about how your protocol is managing the liquidity in multiple chains. So, for example, if all users just deposit tokens on chain A and then just want to withdraw on chain B, then at the time chain B don't have enough liquidity. So,
yeah. So, nice question. Basically, Senja is on in Kaia is a host chain as an origin chain. When for the other chain, it purposes to increasing TVL on Kaia. So if you using Stargate, Stargate have a mechanism burn and min. So if in Senja, the TVL it's the liquidity itself, it's not gonna burn anymore. It will be locked on Kaia liquidity. So we will bring for another chain liquidity to Kaia using layer 0, also with provide with Stargate itself.
then when the token has been breached from another chain, then at the time that is not a real token, it's a synthetic token. So
Ah.
how can you convert it to original?
Yeah.
And also you may need the bridging fee.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that is another issue on.
Yeah, so like I said before, we have a fault ERC 4626. It will be bridged in, it will be there in another chain. So user who have a synthetic token, it can be converted to there. So user who supplies the liquidity and got rewarded the synthetic token, it will be functional again. User can bridge again to the Kaia. So for the other chain, it will be burned the synthetic token, and the token lock when user locking token, it will be released to users who can manage that.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. If you guys don't have more questions, then yeah, thank you again for the great presentation, Senja team. Yeah. So since all teams have now completed their presentations, for the judges, please submit your the final scores for all the finalist teams with the Google form that we've shared with you. So we will take a short moment to finalize the internal judging process. So yeah, in the meanwhile, let's I'll briefly introduce our great judges for today's hackathon. So yeah, we have 9 judges in total for this hackathon. First we have Aaron from Caledon Investment Associate. Yeah, please give a big round of applause. Yeah. Yeah, and we have D1 chairman of Night Fury team. Yeah, please give a warm welcome. And yeah, we also have Daniel Kim, general partner of X Wave Labs. And we have Feroz, brand director of Anchor. Yeah. Thank you. And we have Daniel again, director of business development from Cicada. Yeah. Thank you. And we have Benji Kim, director of Web3 business group from Line Next team. Thank you so much. And we have Neil from Kaia Foundation, the head of technology. Thank you. And lastly, we have Aidan Kwon, VP of technology from Kaia Foundation. Yeah, thank you. So we will have, take a short moment to finalize the final rankings. Okay, so now it's time to announce the 3rd place. Congratulations to Senja. Woo! Senja team, please come up to the stage. Yeah, congratulations again. Third place team will receive 15,000 USDT as a prize. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Oh, you should. Thank you. Okay, the 2nd place. So Benji from Linux team will be presenting the awards. So Benji, please come up to the stage. Yep. So for 2nd place, congratulations to Kiloland. Kiloland team, please come up to the stage to get the prize. Yeah, congratulations again. The 2nd place team will receive 25,000 USDT as a prize. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Congratulations again. Yeah, so finally, for the 1st place, Aidan Guan from Kaia Foundation will be presenting the award. Aidan, please come up to the stage. Yeah. So for first place, huge congratulations to Lucky Savings team. Stefan, please come up to the stage. Huge congratulations. And then the first place team will receive 35,000 USDT as a prize. Thank you so much. Please stay in the state, Aidan, please. So we kindly invite all the winning teams and our judges to come up to the stage for a group photo. Yeah, please come up to the stage, all the judges and the winning teams. Senja, Kiloland, yeah, and Lucky Savings team. Yeah, thank you so much for all the finalist teams and all the judges for the great judging. So for this, we will conclude the Kaia Wave Stablecoin Summer Hackathon Final Demo Day. So we will have the official post-hackathon program for Q4, so stay tuned. And thank you so much, everyone. Yeah, thank you.